Okay, and we are back, and we have Jaelyn here again.
Yes, it's me again.
And right now, she's going to wear another hat. This hat is Aerogaz.
Yes, Aerogaz.
I've heard this name before. Okay. So I've been in the industry for very long. I do think hood hop.
Yeah, we have hood, hot, oven.
That's how you started, right?
You can say so because it's more okay. You wouldn't see Aerogaz from like big like like Harvey Norman, that kind of like places. But actually Aerogaz is very typically found in like older homes, like maybe your parents' home or your grandparents' home, because it's very durable, and affordable, I would say. And reliable. Okay, so
Singapore brand.
Yes, it's a Singapore brand. So probably they purchase from like a bit of like 家楼下 or from dealers, that kind.
住卡.
Then they use it and not knowing that it's from Aerogaz, that kind of brand. But now we are getting a bit different now. We rebranded a little and like touch up a little, did a bit of makeup to make it more of a new generation thing.
It's an updated one.
Yeah,
that means a brand overhaul. If I recall,
Correct.
the logo has got like a flame.
Yes, that's right.
So now still have the flame.
Yes.
Okay. With this brand overhaul, product update,
Yes.
what are the things that's being featured in this exhibition?
So this exhibition we have a few new products, especially the hobs. So 3 new hobs that I'm really excited about. So number 1, I'll go with the gas hob with timer. That's like not typically found because usually timer hobs is induction, right?
Yeah.
So if like people who want wok taste and still want precision with timer, so this is like a 2-in-1 I would say.
It's integrated.
Yes, correct.
Actually very useful. Like for example, I think Singaporeans go eat Ya-Kun a lot, right? And the thing about Ya-Kun is that you need to boil eggs, right? You can do this at home.
Yes.
But boiling eggs is all about timing.
Correct.
It's all about timing, and I have to have like a separate timer. I stick at my fridge there.
You wouldn't,
This one is
integrated. And it will auto shut off, correct? Auto shut off, but when the timer goes off.
Also, the timer is not just ring.
For sure. It's not. If not, you can just use your phone.
自动关掉.
Correct.
Awesome.
Yes.
So it's almost also like a safety feature, lor.
Correct.
Yeah, so like especially boil water, you probably need about 10 minutes.
Yes.
It shouldn't be anything more than that.
Yes, correct.
And also soup lah.
Yeah.
Some people boil soup,
2
right?
hours, 4 hours, that kind, like with small, the flame you can adjust like powerful or like less powerful, like that kind. So that's good about the flame.
What is the maximum length of your timer?
180 minutes.
That's 3 hours.
Yes.
Wow. The standard timer also cannot do that long. I think it's only 60 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Correct. Okay, so this is the first hob. The second one is also 2-in-1 is hob integrated with hood. So you don't need a top hood. Okay, so the hood is actually the middle of the induction hob. When you cook, right, the smoke will be like sucked into in the middle.
Hey, this is a Hai Di
This
Lao.
is damn good.
No, it's a Hai Di Lao. You know, Hai Di Lao also got this louvers.
Yes, so good thing is like it doesn't go up and you don't need like a counter, kitchen countertop.
The top hung.
Yes, top hung.
Yeah.
So you can change it to keeping storage, like use it for storage instead of a hood there. Yeah, and also when you on the ventilation will on also. So it's a 2-in-1. This is like one of the most unique item I see in the market as well.
Yeah, I think this one I must go and see because I can just imagine a lot of scenarios like island kitchen cabinet.
Yes,
Yeah, those kind of islands where you don't have a backer.
Correct.
Right, so right smack in the middle and you want to do maybe light cooking lah. Because I think it will still go all over the place.
Correct.
So small one, I think like
Kitchen
it gets
island is perfect.
Sounds good.
Yes.
Yeah, but it gets collected underneath.
But there's a filter that can like remove it and like clean up. Yeah. So the third one, the last one not least, is hybrid gas and induction hob. So both, one side is induction, one side is gas.
Oh, so it's like a hot plate on one side and then the gas is on the other side.
Yes, so for people who like, you don't know, like your husband want gas, you want induction, so why not get both? Like this one is just 2-in-1. Induction is for like with timer, for precision cooking, then the gas one, as usual, is for the wok taste.
Yeah. I think that's the type where you probably want to warm something on the side.
Yeah,
or you want to do slow boiling of
yeah.
soups. Then you don't need to waste gas, lor. That one you can use
Correct.
electricity. Because if I'm not wrong, you can like boil a bit, then slow down, boil a bit, then slow
Yes,
down.
that's right.
Oh, awesome. This
Yes.
one later must go to their booth and check out.
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
Okay, so these three hobs and the the home appliances will be the dual stack air fryer,
Okay.
which is like slim and compact. It's on top and one on top and one bottom drawer, I would say. So you can multitask cooking or like can cook up to 4 dishes at one go.
Air fryer, it's not side by
It's not
side.
side by side.
It's top and bottom.
Top and bottom, yes.
And-
Then inside, right, you can still put a rack there, so like you can put like one on top, one below in a drawer, then the bottom drawer as well. So you can cook up to 4 different dishes at one go. Yeah,
Okay.
and different temperature, you can do that. Same temperature, different timing, yeah.
This one I must see.
At
This
the
one really
same
must see.
time, yes.
I have an air fryer that I have for about before COVID.
Side by side, is it?
So, no, it's not even side by side, it's just
It's
one.
just the individual one, which
Ah.
I think a lot of young couples nowadays, they like to air fry because it's the easiest thing.
Yeah,
you don't
less
need
oil,
to
no oil at all.
less oily and like it's the most convenient. You can just put everything frozen. You know, we like to buy frozen stuff now.
Yeah.
So that's like compact and it looks very modern for your modern kitchen interior and it's affordable as well. It's okay. The usual price is 169 and now in this show is 129. Yeah, so it's like affordable for
Okay, for sure, I'm definitely going to buy. Because I have like, I think a 7 or 8 year old.
my house also have. I really like it.
Yeah, okay, awesome. What's the design?
It's like black, you know,
black.
like black, very
Slim now. I think the average
Slim.
one is like that.
It's slim.
About
And
this size.
Total 11 liter, so you can actually cook quite a lot at the same time.
Oh, so you can do fries at the bottom, then do
Yes,
chicken wing at the top.
Correct.
And then if and a side of salad, which means okay, wholesaler, you got like
Yeah,
one
you
meal
just
already.
like one, and at the same time, you know, like maybe 10 minutes you got one meal already. You don't even need to 10 minutes ready, then take out fries, then put back nuggets, for example.
Can cash and carry.
Can, yes,
Okay,
correct.
later I
Can
go and
buy
buy.
straight away.
Later,
Correct,
really,
correct.
later I'll go and buy.
Yes.
Okay, any other new stuff?
So far that's all.
Don't
I
have spin the
guess.
wheel lah.
This one I don't have. It's already very affordable. Don't need spin the wheel.
Okay, so we have these today and tomorrow, last 2 days for
Yes.
this promotion. If don't have this promotion already, you guys will have to say sorry lah.
Yeah.
But you guys have a showroom for the Aerogaz?
Aerogaz no showroom. We don't have a proper showroom, but you want to purchase, you can still go down to our like warehouse kind of. It's at Loyang.
You also partner with many retailers as well, right?
Yes, that's right.
I think if I recall, Balestier got a lot. They also carry this Aerogaz.
I
Right?
think so. Should
Yeah.
be one of them for sure. I have.
Okay, so if you cannot decide, you're on the fence.
I
make
feel
a trip
like
down.
go to our website also can because
Yeah.
our website is we revamped our website so it's easier for you to toggle around and understand the products. Yeah.
Yeah, or if you want hands-on, right, you can actually come
Yes,
here
can.
these 2 days, see,
Yes.
feel, touch, learn, and then after that go back and place an order online. Oh, of course,
Yeah.
order here, cash and carry.
And got promotion. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, thank you, Jaelyn.
Thank you.
Jaelyn, who is wearing the second hand right now
Yes.
from Aerogaz, not mover. And we'll see you soon at the Smart Home Tech Show. Today and tomorrow only. Bye-bye.